I'm Shivali. I'm the co-founder of this company called Global Edge. We have a rich experience of 11 years in the field of overseas education, and we are sending students to more than 21 countries, including UK, Europe, Canada, Australia, Ireland, USA, New Zealand, and many more, even Singapore, Dubai. And my team has counseled more than 57,000 students as of date, and we are yet just going on and on. So we are happy to welcome you in our family. I'll just touch upon the visa file preparation. So there is, for the undergraduates and postgraduates, there is something called as a CAS, okay, confirmation of acceptance. So once you do an application, you get an offer letter. After the offer letter, there is a pre-CAS interview now, which has become compulsory, and that is taken by the university. And after you clear the interview, you will sit for you will be receiving a CAS statement. Okay, that is confirmation of acceptance, and then you are allowed to pay your fees. So fees is paid, even the first deposit is paid after you receive a CAS. Okay, and some of the new universities are taking a fees beforehand and then doing an interview and then issuing the CAS. But right now, most of the universities I'm seeing, especially after COVID, are taking a pre-CAS interview. In the visa file, they want you to have fund for the cost of living and tuition fees. Okay, the fund should be 28 days old. That is very simple. So whenever you're putting a visa file, before that 28 days old, you freeze your account with that much amount, and try not to use that account at all. And even if you are using that account, make sure that the balance doesn't fall below that amount of the tuition and living. Okay, I prefer the account as a student account or it's a joint account, because we have to show that the funds have been transferred in the student's name. So to be more clear and more sure, we try and make a new account of the student and we just park the money there. Okay. The visa takes around 20 to 30 days. And in UK, there are possibilities to apply for express visa, which will be given in 3 to 4 days. Also, there is a possibility to get a visa even in a super premium 1-day possibility. Okay. So they just charge extra for everything. Now, if you're going for a loan, it can be less than 28 days old. But if it's an account in the bank and you're showing the money in the bank, then it has to be 28 days. Okay. The calculation of the amount, we will tell you once you have an offer letter, how much is the CAS stating, the fees and the living. Okay. And that is the amount we can calculate and show you exactly how much it needs to be there. So at the embassy also, there is a student interview taken, which is nearly for 2 to 3 minutes. They ask 5 to 6 questions, and every student has to go for the face-to-face interview. Now, we can help you out with this with our team. You can get connected once you have an offer, or, even with any visa file question. Just, I want to tell you about the spouse visa. So a lot of my master's students ask me this question. You are allowed to take your spouse to UK. Your spouse, it's only for master's students. You have to show that you can financially support them. Your marriage certificate should be there. And you can also take your children along. Now, when you go there, your spouse is allowed to work. Now, it's not that simple how it's looking here. Getting a spouse visa is not so easy. Your financials have to be very strong. Your master's degree has to be a very strong degree you're going for. Thirdly, your intention to come back should be very clear. And even your spouse, they look into the papers of the spouse also. So it's a little tricky whether you should apply and then your spouse should apply, or you all should apply together. I can tell you on case-to-case basis. Right? The cost of the visas, the UK visa is a little expensive, was £475. So that's nearly 46,000 rupees. But NHS is a part of it, or with health surcharge. Now, if you go for those quick visas, which can be given in 5 days or in 24 hours, then please, you have to pay extra. It can be £500 going up to £800. Okay. But visas are given in a day also. The good part is that, but they really charge a lot of money.
So my company's name is Global Edge, and you can get in touch with us for our services. We counsel students from more than 21 countries, and we help the students in shortlisting of courses, universities, countries, applications, admissions, scholarships, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. Our head office is in Green Park, New Delhi, and you can connect with us. And my team of expert counselors will be very happy to help you out. We counsel students for countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, um, Europe, Ireland, and plenty more.